If your back is hurting, here are some ways to help relieve and massage out the tissue, the fascia, get some weighted compression into your back. And also to imagine that you are relaxing all the fluids in your body. So it's a way of moving from the water in your body where you're just really slowly, gently pouring yourself from one side, really relaxing into the floor, letting your head totally melt down, and then over to the other side. Same thing, really slow and easy. The water, think of moving from the water in your body. So not thinking of moving from the architecture of your body, the bones, the muscles, the fascia, but thinking of moving from the water, really gently and soft, really easy and relaxed, pouring from one side to the other. And your arms can just do whatever feels good, relaxing into the floor. Another way is to pick up your knees and sort of open and then close. So you're massaging through your back, again, staying as relaxed as possible. Opening, 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 and then gently closing, closing, closing. If it's very painful to do this on a hard floor, start with more padding. Even you could start on your bed. But the benefit's really gonna be stronger if you're on a harder surface, right? So that you can really get some compression into the tissue so that it can rehydrate as you're moving through it, letting the fluids in your body readjust through the movement that you're doing. So it could be really slow, gentle, and easy. Mushy, 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 mushy. Gentle, nourishing, nurturing. So that's a couple of versions. Knees off the floor, kind of rolling like a bug, relaxing everything. So as relaxed as possible. It could also be done with a sort of opening and closing like a starfish, really gently folding in and then opening up. Right, not necessarily opening to our full extension, but staying relaxed and fluid. Or it could be done mushy, soft, gentle spiral. Spiraling, spiraling, spiraling. And I could open up with my arm to come back. In this version, I'm initiating the movement with my leg, with my lower body, and then my arm follows. And then I'm opening with my arm, and then my leg follows. It could be done a bunch of different ways. It could just softening into the floor. So you're relating to the ground, letting the gravitational pull of the earth hold you and connect to you. So you're not fighting gravity, you're not trying to rigidly hold away, you're softening and melting into it. Like water, like you are just a pool of water rolling, or a body of water rolling, which you are. One last version is to do the knee dropping and then spiral a little deeper, really slow, gentle, and easy, relaxing and melting. And try to stay present with this, so feeling into the sensations in your body, slowing down. You could add some really relaxing music, ideally something that doesn't have a rhythm or lyrics. So something that's really just kind of amorphous flow. The different locations of your legs are going to change what part of your back gets more massaged out. So you might want to really hug them in or let them be lower down. So that is just a few options for releasing your back or softening the interior, letting things readjust, harmonizing in inner body.